Hello, do you enjoy gently aromatic, crisp and delicate sparkling wine? Then you want to try Mirabello Prosecco. It's a sparkling wine from northeastern Italy made from the Glera grape. This is just northeast of Treviso. It is delicious because the grape has such primary fruit nuances and aromas of crisp apple and citrus that is preserved by the primary fermentation and the secondary fermentation all happening in stainless steel tanks. It is a dream at the table. It accompanies all sorts of foods from salty appetizers to fried foods, summer salads, or egg dishes. Egg dishes are amazing with Prosecco like this. So if you're planning on a nice brunch, this is a great wine, and it's an absolute bargain considering the quality. If you have a chance, and there's any left, be sure to pick up some Mirabello Prosecco.